first thing you want to do is grab yourself 2 slices of bread. I prefer white bread over wheat or any other bread for peanut butter and jelly. It's just better. So first thing you're going to want is a creamy peanut butter. If you can see, what I'm doing here is I get my peanut butter on my butter knife and I start from one edge to the other, spreading out the peanut butter as smoothly as I possibly can. And I try to cover every little piece of that bread. So once you have your peanut butter spread all the way through and it's the right thickness that you like, you will want to start on your jelly. So we're going to put 1 tablespoon of jelly on our other piece of bread right there. And we're going to start from the middle and just spread it out as evenly as you possibly can. Now, I personally like jam better because it spreads a lot more evenly than jelly does, but this is all we had at the moment, and it'll do just fine. So you want a nice thick layer of peanut butter and a nice thick layer of jelly. Then you just slap those 2 pieces of bread together, and there you have it, a nice thick peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I hope you enjoy, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.